Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem we're told that Jennifer bought a box of crunchy grain cereal. The nutrition facts in the box state that a serving size of the cereal is 3/4 of the cup and provides 210 calories, 50 of which are calories from fat. In addition, each serving of the cereal provides 180 milligrams of potassium, which is 5% of the daily allowance for adults. We're asked which of the following could be the graph of the number of calories from fat in crunchy grain cereal as a function of the number of 3/4 servings of the cereal. So what is the relationship between the number of calories from fat and servings? Is it a positive relationship like in A and B? Is it a negative relationship like in C? Or is it a constant relationship? So as the number of cups goes up, right, as we have more and more of the cereal, the calories are going to go up. So we're looking for this to be increasing. As one variable goes up, the other goes up. Right? If you have 0 cups, that's going to be 0 calories. And if you have 30 cups, that's going to be a ton of calories. So the only two function graphs out of our 4 that represent this are A and B. C, we would expect as X to go up, going this way on the X-axis, the amount of calories is going down, which would not make any sense, right? In D, as the number of cups changes, going from right to left or left to right or any direction for the amount of cups in the cereal, the Y value, the calories, is not changing at all, which is also not making any sense. As you get more food, you're gonna have more calories, so D is our answer. So how do we tell which one it is between A and B when we don't have any numbers on the axes to do any calculations or anything? Well, the difference between A and B is that the Y intercept for A is at 0, and at B it's some positive number. So what does the y-intercept represent in this problem? Well, it's y, which is the number of calories, when x is equal to 0, when there's 0 servings of the cereal. So when there's 0 servings of the cereal, are there 0 calories or are there some positive number of calories? Well, if there's 0 servings, there's 0 cereal, and therefore there's 0 calories in the cereal. So it starts from 0. Which means A has to be your final answer, and it can't be B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.